What is up, my spooky sluts? Today we're going to be making earrings out of Halloween trinkets. But before we're able to actually make any earrings, first we have to actually go acquire some trinkets. Look at this beautiful black cat who has taken residence in my yard. I love her. So I was in the miniatures section at Michael's looking for some products for a different project actually. Did not find what I was looking for, but I did find these adorable little mini trick-or-treat pails that I thought are going to be so cute as earrings. Next up, we popped into a Spirit Halloween and I got these vampire teeth. These are something I've been wanting to make earrings out of for years, and I thought it was such an original idea, and then I just never made them, and then I've since seen other people doing it, so apparently not the most original idea, but I still think they're going to be really cute nonetheless. So we got these guys, as well as this little package of miniature baby doll heads that are honestly like so cute, so creepy. I immediately jumped on these because I thought earrings. Like, I don't even know what else anyone would do with them. Alright, I popped into a Dollar Tree and got some palm bones because they have these every year and I have always just thought that they would be such cute earrings. So finally gonna make them. They do have a few different colorways. I got some glow-in-the-dark ones as well as some more natural-looking ones. I also found more vampire teeth. So we have these in a bigger variety of colors, as well as these little skeleton dudes. I know, Bone Daddy, right in front of you. I'm sorry. We've got these little baby skeleton guys. They're super tiny for skeletons. They are a little large for earrings, but I am a big earring bitch, so these are going to be good for anybody who's into like gaudy earrings. I actually just popped into my favorite local thrift store unrelated to the Trinkets project, and I found not one, two, but three brand new unopened packages of red vampire teeth. So, well, I definitely didn't need any more vampire teeth. I definitely thought that the red colorway was going to be kind of cunty. And I'm also hoping that I either come up with like another project to make with these, or at the very least, I'll just make like a ton of pairs of earrings to pass on to other people. But didn't want to pass up the crafting opportunity. And did I film this entire video sweating my balls off in my car, acting like I freshly bought these, when I did in fact buy some of these trinkets years ago? Mind your fucking business. Now that we have our supplies in hand, we can go ahead and DIY. First up, we have these jack-o'-lantern trick-or-treat pails that you can make simply by adding jump rings to the pails and connecting those jump rings to earring wires. Next up, we have these skeleton hand earrings, which you also make simply by adding jump rings to the palm bones and attaching those to ear wires.
And you can make these guys in a variety of colors. Next up, we have these little skeletons that you can make by piercing a hole in the head, adding a wire, which of course you can glue if you want to make extra secure, creating a loop on the top of that wire to then be able to attach the skeleton to an earring wire. And these also come in a variety of colors. Then we have these little baby doll heads. And these ones are a little bit more complex. You're going to go ahead and pierce a hole in the head, if you will. Feed a wire through the hole, making sure that that wire has a stopper at the end so you aren't able to pull it all the way through. Make a loop at the top of the wire sticking out of the head so you then have somewhere to attach it to the earring wire. And lastly, we have these fake vampire teeth earrings. Similarly to the last one, you're going to go ahead and pierce a hole through one of the sides of the vampire fangs. Feed a wire that has a stopper on one end through, and then create a little loop on the end so you're able to feed that through the earring wire. And these come in as many different colors as you can find them in. Alright, I am so incredibly excited for all of these earrings. I know that they're definitely not for everyone, but as a big earring slash spooky bitch, I am so excited to wear all of them for the Halloween season. And quite frankly, just any other day for the most part. I don't think any of them are ones that I wouldn't wear the rest of the year. I mean, I'll probably keep the little jack-o'-lantern pails to seasonally appropriate, but the rest of them definitely have their place depending on the time and outfit. But I am so incredibly excited to wear all of them over the coming weeks. And I think that they are just so fun. I am a big believer in big earrings and just turning anything into earrings. And wearing earrings even if you don't have, like, ears that people traditionally would. Like, I have stretched ears, fun fact, and I still will just shove earrings in them because I think the fun dangly ones are just so fun. I think everybody should wear them with the right outfit. They are so good. I also think that these would be really, really good group projects or like craft night projects because so many of them come in multi-packs. I made myself a single pair of all of these, but now I have a ton of extra earrings that I'm very excited to be able to give to friends and others. So I think that these are definitely a fun craft night option or just a fun little spooky seasonal night for you. And there are definitely so many other options of trinkets that you can turn into earrings. This was just a few that I wanted to give examples for to maybe give you a little bit of spooky inspiration for the season. There are already a few other things that I definitely want to pick up that I have already seen. Like there was a package of little like witch fingers at Spirit Halloween that I'm low-key regretting not getting because I think those would be super fun earrings. But anyways, thank y'all so much for watching. I had a blast hanging out with y'all. Happy Halloween!